Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel. So hello everyone, today I am going to start exercise 5.6 from the book of ML Agarwal. And here the first problem, find the cube root of minus 27. So first let x is the cube root of minus 27. That means here x cube equal to minus 27. That equal to x cube plus 27 that equal to 0. So here x cube plus 3 cube that equal to 0. Now you know the formula a cube plus b cube. So according to the formula x plus 3 then x square minus 3x plus 9 that equal to 0. Very easy. Now if two number multiply 0, so it becomes either x plus 3 equal to 0, that means x equal to minus 3, or x square minus 3x plus 9 that equal to 0. So by Sridharacharya you can easily find out the value of x, and that will be here. Now if you common minus 3 from that one, so it will be here minus 1 then minus root 3i by 2, and the next one if minus 3 common it becomes minus 1 then plus root 3i by 2. Okay, and as you know the value of omega equal to minus 1 plus root 3i by 2, so it will be here minus 3, okay, the first root, then minus 3 omega the third root, and the second one, the middle one, will be minus 3 omega square, because that is the value of omega square. So here the three roots are minus 3 omega square and minus 3 omega. Okay, now the second part, show that the sum of cube roots is equal to 0. That means here you have to add these three roots. Okay, so if you common minus 3 from the addition, you will get minus 3 and then 1 plus omega square plus omega. Now you know that the value of 1 plus omega square plus omega equal to 0. You can directly write down this value, and if you want to simplify then just put down the value of omega and omega square in place of omega, and then you will get 0 as your final answer. Okay. Now the next one, sum number 2, 1. If alpha beta are the complex root of the unity, then prove that 1 plus alpha, 1 plus beta, 1 plus alpha square into 1 plus beta square that equal to 1. Okay, so it's in the left hand side you have this one, right hand side you have to prove it's 1. So as let omega equal to alpha and omega square equal to beta. Okay, then in place of alpha you can write down omega, in place of beta you can write down what? Omega square. So 1 plus omega, 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega to the power 4. Now what is omega to the power 4? Omega to the power 4 means omega cube into 1. Okay, omega to the power 4 means omega cube into 1. So omega cube means 1, you know the value. So omega cube into omega, that means omega. Okay, so in place of omega to the power 4 you can write down omega. So write down here 1 plus omega, not omega square, it's 1 plus omega, then 1 plus omega square, again 1 plus omega square, and the last one 1 plus omega. So now you can directly write down 1 plus omega into 1 plus omega square whole square, because there are 2 times. Okay, now here 1 plus omega, then omega square plus 1. So here the last one is 1, because omega square into omega that equal to what? 1, that's why. Now 1 plus omega square that equal to 0. You know the value. So 0 plus 1 whole square, it becomes 1. That's proved. So it's right hand side. And here you can write down the formula, that is 1 plus omega square that equal to 0. Okay. So remember it. Now move on to the next sum, that is 2 2. So here in 2 2, given that 1 omega and omega square are the cube roots of unity, show that 1 minus omega plus omega square whole to the power 5 plus 1 plus omega minus omega square whole to the power 5, that equal to 32. So you have to prove that this one equal to 32. Okay. So as 1 omega and omega square are the cube roots of unity, you know the formula 1 plus omega square, that equal to 0. So from that 1 plus omega square equal to minus omega. Okay. So here 1 plus omega square, in place of 1 plus omega you can write down minus omega. So minus omega to the power 5, and then here 1 plus omega means minus omega square. Okay. So you can write down here minus omega square, again minus omega square whole to the power 5. Okay. So now minus omega minus 2 omega whole to the power 5 means minus 32 omega to the power 5. Okay. And the next one will be minus 32 omega to the power 10. Is it clear? Okay. If minus 32 will be common, it omega to the power 5 plus omega to the power 10. Now what is the meaning of omega to the power 5? You can write down omega cube into omega square, and in place of omega to the power 10, omega to the power 9 into omega. Okay, it's very easy. So value of omega cube, that equal to 1, so it becomes omega square. So let's write down here omega square only. And second one, omega to the power 9 means omega cube to the power 3. Now omega cube means 1, so 1 to the power 3 it becomes 1. So 1 into omega, it becomes omega only. So minus 32, and here omega square plus omega, and that equal to also minus 1. Okay. So here minus 32 into minus 1, and that equal to what? Plus 32. So it's proved. Now the third one, evaluate omega to the power 20 and omega to the power minus 30. So here omega to the power 20. Okay. So you can write down 20 as omega to the power 18 into omega square. Now 18 means omega cube to the power 6, because 6 is 18 omega square. Now omega cube equal to 1, so 1 to the power 6 it becomes 1. So 1 into omega square, so your final answer is omega square. Now next one, omega to the power minus 30 means 1 by omega to the power 30. Now 30 means 1 by omega cube whole to the power 10. So it becomes 1 by 1, and that equal to 1. Now the fourth one and the last one, prove that 2 plus 5 omega plus 2 omega square whole to the power 6, that equal to 729. Okay. So as here 2 plus 2 omega square, so you can easily common 2 from that one. So write down here, if 2 common, 1 plus omega square plus 5 omega whole to the power 6. Now 1 plus omega square means minus omega. Okay. 1 plus omega square means minus omega. So minus 2 omega plus 5 omega whole to the power 6. So that equal to 3 omega whole to the power 6. That equal to 3 to the power 6. Okay. And omega to the power 6. So 3 to the power 6 means 729. You know that. And omega to the power 6 means omega cube whole square. So omega cube whole square means 1 square, that means 1. So 729 is your final answer.